Good morning, friends. I feel like I'm either in this chair or the one downstairs. And I don't know if you guys can hear the music coming from downstairs, but Ronnie is rocking that new sound bar we bought. Um, it is literally vibrating my chair. He has the music so loud downstairs. I don't even know if you guys can even hear it. But anyways, I am up and I apologize. I did not film until now. It's 10:30 in the morning. I woke up with the worst sinus aggravation ever. And I know it was sinuses because I've had like that tingling feeling in my sinuses, and my head just hurt so bad. So I had to get some coffee in me and some Excedrin and get my day started. I've already, we ate the leftover egg salad from yesterday. And I had a tangerine, which I love tangerines, guys. I'm serious. I love them. So I had tangerine. We drank an entire pot of that Blue Mountain coffee. We have really been enjoying that. When I get home today from the gym, yes, we're going to the gym again today. I'm going to make spaghetti for dinner and some garlic toast. And it's just going to be a real simple dinner, clean up everything in there, and then just basically relax the rest of the evening. I don't have much planned, but tomorrow morning, so today's going to be VEDA day 10, I believe, for you guys. So tomorrow, which I'll be filming VEDA day 11, I'm going to be doing a lot of housework, and maybe it'll motivate you guys. You know, I feel a little overwhelmed today, but I told Ronnie, I said, you know what? I was balancing stay home, work, or go to the gym. Stay home, work, go to the gym. And so I got up this morning, and even though I had my sinus thing going on, I got a good bit of stuff, little piddly stuff that needed to be done. Phone call, had to change some things around with banking, and I figured that all out. I put a load of clothes in the dryer this morning, so I got a load of clothes done. And so I just kind of felt like I had a pretty good, productive morning. And I just told him, I said, you know what, as far as like businessy things are concerned, I'll just be prepared for that for Monday. And tomorrow I'll get up early and do the housework I need to do. You know, it's not really that intensive. It's just I want to dust, I want to vacuum, I want to mop. You know, all those kinds of things that you do. So anyways, we're going to be leaving for the gym. I'm going to grab my bag, my towel, my drink, and my snack, because I always take a snack because my sugar plummets about 2. And I never know how long or late the bus is going to be. So obviously I want to make sure I have a snack. I'm going to take my shades today because it is a beautiful sunny day out today. And I just want to make sure that I take my sunglasses with me. Because yesterday I was like, I can't see anything. It was terrible. But anyways, I will be catching back with you guys, so come along with me on my day, and welcome to VEDA day 10. Bumpy ride.
Well, Friday's delayed.
Made it to the gym, and I'm standing in the locker room.
We did.
My man's over here getting naked. I'm just kidding. He's getting in the locker. Hello everybody, we just got home early tonight, which is wonderful. It is not even 4 o'clock, it is 3:30, and that is early for us, early. Our pickup time is between, I think it's 3:08 and 3:10, and we got home, the only ones on the bus, and we got dropped off right away. We didn't have to pick up anybody, which was fantastic. So we made it home. Good timing. Great end of the gym week. I have been eating a couple potato chips. I have had a migraine headache since 5 a.m. this morning. And I'm trying to charge through VEDA. And I'm going to have to cook dinner here in a little bit. So I'm going to have me some coffee, a couple Tylenol, go upstairs and get me, a bath, get me some clean clothes on, and hopefully headache will subside a bit. And if you are a migraine sufferer, you know how debilitating these things can be. I am going to have to see my doctor eventually about it because it's getting worse. Anyhow, the thing is with the COVID situation that's been going on, the doctor's office hasn't been open, and because I'm a new patient, I have to wait till she opens her offices, which I think now she is starting to open her office, so I should be able to get in there, and Ronnie and I will be going to the same doctor, so that works out really, really nicely. Yeah, so life. I'm going to get me some coffee. I will check in with you guys in a little bit. I will be making some supper, and hopefully that my head will stop hurting. It's terrible. I'm really over it today. Really over it. So I am fixing dinner. I've got my pasta back here boiling. Just some regular spaghetti noodles. I've got my pasta sauce all made. Just very easy. And I just took some bread and butter and some garlic, and I'm just going to make some simple garlic toast, and that is what we're going to have for supper tonight. And I'm starving. It's after 6.
I love that spaghetti.
I am going to close out this vlog tonight. I am tired. We finished our dinner. We watched an episode of Dallas. Went over to see my mother-in-law for a moment. I'm going to go shopping with her tomorrow, so I'm going to be taking you guys along. That is, if everything goes okay. We'll be going shopping. So the last thing that I do at night before I go to bed is load my diffuser in here. This is my latest collection. And I got to tell you, I find that TJ Maxx and places like that are the place to get scented oils, because you can get name brand scented oils for just about nothing. This pack cost me $4.99, so it was a really good deal, because usually, like if I even go to Walmart, one of these bottles this size costs me like $9.99 or even more. So far I've used the grapefruit, and I have used the spearmint. Both of those have smelled really, really good. If you're curious about this one or want to look at it a little bit closer, I put a picture of it on my Instagram tonight. So it'll be over there on my Instagram. And if you want to find me, all the information will be down below in the description box. I'm on Facebook, and I'm also on Instagram. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending another day with me. I am going to call it a day. I know I look hideous right now, but hopefully tomorrow is better. I'm planning to get up early tomorrow and hit the floor running, and I've got cleaning to do, and I'm planning to video all the cleaning that I do and share it with you guys. So that will come out on Monday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this VEDA video. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you've been enjoying spending the days with me. And hopefully I find some bargains tomorrow if I get to go shopping for sure. and I will take you guys along. I will talk to y'all later. Bye, guys.